Hey everybody, Darren Dukart with the Luchek Group and Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty. I'm standing outside my latest property. I'm real proud to bring it to you. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage that sits on top of the hill in the Paradise Pines neighborhood of Woodland Park. You are less than a mile away from all the shopping you could possibly need, and you're within walking distance of not only Gateway Elementary School, but Woodland Park Middle and High School. We're sitting at 580 Greenway Ct Unit B. Let's go check it out. The first thing that I want to point out about this property is this amazing deck. You have the high quality and low maintenance Trex decking. So with the Woodland Park cold winters and the hot summer heat that comes on it, you're not going to have to deal with maintenance. It is so wonderful to have. And as you're going to notice, this thing wraps all the way around 3 sides of this property. Also, no problem with entertaining any time of the year. Coming in through the deck, you'll find a very functional open floor plan. Floor-to-ceiling windows and doors on the east and south sides of the home will provide not only stunning views of Pikes Peak, but tons of sunlight each morning and throughout the day. These premium vinyl plank floors in the living room provide for easy cleaning and give a fresh look to the property. Just imagine yourself snuggled up on the couch on a cold winter day while you have a fire going in this gas insert fireplace. With the rocks around and wood mantle, another special feature in this property is this natural wood beam and pillar. Just another accent this home has that helps define the space and aids functionality to the home. You then have a decent sized dining area that leads us back into this beautifully updated kitchen. With updated appliances, glass cabinet fronts, and plenty of storage, you will have no issues prepping meals in this kitchen. There's even an additional pantry on the other side of this wall. Finally, on this level, you have a half bathroom so no one has to go upstairs when entertaining. A spacious coat closet and another door to the wraparound deck makes it easy to go get your steaks on and off the grill. Just off the stairs is the second bedroom. You might think it's the primary with all this space, but it's not. Perfectly set up for a kid's room, there's even this half door that you can use as a baby gate for a kid's playroom. Again, with the floor-to-ceiling windows, just look at that view. And an area that is currently used as a baby changing station could easily be transformed into a student's work desk. As we make our way back, you will notice this large bathroom with a double vanity, tub and shower, linen closet, and plenty of storage underneath the sinks. The primary bedroom is tucked in the back with huge windows overlooking the amazing pine trees, 2 large his and her closets, and this beautiful accent wall. Now, as we go to the bottom level of this house, you do have the 3rd bedroom, or bonus space. It has access to the garage, your washer-dryer hookups, and can be used as anything you can think of. Home gym, crafting room, mother-in-law suite, the possibilities are endless. I want to thank you again for taking the time to tour this home with me. If you have any questions or would like a personal tour of this property, don't hesitate to reach out to me at 719-287-3190 or visit any of our properties on www.makespringshome.com. Thanks and have a great day.